Central first round is underway. It is a high short kick, going to avoid Crosby and Dandridge, taken to the 25-yard line, up the middle to the 28. Fake it to Dandridge, pass it outside, complete 32-yard line. That's about a 4-yard gain. This time read option, they'll give it to Dandridge. He'll get a yard, a hard yard, and then get pushed right back. Here comes the kick. It is high, it's wobbly, and it's short. It's going to take a gratuitous Atlee bounce inside the 35. This time left side to Mines. He'll pick up a hole. He'll get to midfield. First down inside the 50 to the 46-yard line. Under center is Elliott. The I formation continues, and if it isn't broke, don't fix it. Mines off right tackle. Hits a block, goes around the corner. 40, 35, spins. Finally brought down at the 31-yard line. Handoff Mines. So 4th and 1 near the red zone. And they reset and reshuffle in motion. Trips formation behind Elliott. Handoff Mines, dances his way, close to first down yardage. The Raiders are saying he's short. The Skyhawks are saying first down, but it matters what the referee says, and we'll see where the spot of the football is and what they decide. He is short of the first down. Harris to pass, blitz coming, screen developing, complete, got away from one man, midfield, 45-40, another man to beat, slows him down, 25-20, and then he gets away from the final two and dives into the end zone. Touchdown, Atlee Raiders from 65 yards. The kick is up, and the kick is blocked. No good. Elliott under center in the I formation, and let's give it to Mines. Gets away from one Raider, but not a second. Rolling to his right is Elliott, looking to pass. Got good blocking, pump fake, and now he's in trouble and goes down at the 15-yard line. 3rd and 5. Elliott rolls right, looking. Blitz coming, gets away from one man, runs into another, and Austin Cannon will pull him down at the 20-yard line. Crosby at about midfield. Low snap, barely got it off the ground. First down, fake it to Dandridge, complete right side to Watson, trying to find some room. Breaks away from two men and falls forward to the 43-yard line. 4th down, fake, pass again right side, complete, but will not get even close to the first down. First and goal from the 2. Elliott, handoff, and without a problem, into the end zone. Stephen Mines, touchdown, L.C.Bird. Snap is good, the hold is good, kick is up and partially blocked. First down, fakes the handoff, rolls to his right, Cooper after him, stops, throws, man wide open at the 40, complete, breaks a tackle, into Atlee territory, to the 46. First and 10, ball at the Atlee 47, handoff to the up man Gore, or no, check that, not Gore, inside the 30 to about the 25-yard line. Elliott under center, looking back to pass, looking downfield, one-on-one coverage, and it'll be a knuckleballer, so they're going to try to pin him deep. Dandridge has problems with it back at the 5, gets it at the 3, and is running for his life, and he'll go down inside the 5-yard line. First down, handoff, Zoller. That's A.J. Zoller, and he's up the middle. He's got running room. He's got more. He's at midfield. The 40, one man to beat, and finally brought down all the way to the Bird 31-yard line. 3rd down 2, gonna pass, got a man wide open, complete, 15-yard line down near the 10. From to 6. They fake it to Zoller. It's Harris going up the middle, and he's in. The snap is good. The kick is up, and a much better job by Ratke. That's more Ethan-like. It is good. Handoff Mines, left side, got running room, first down and more, to midfield. It's a foot race to the 30 and down inside the 25. And the handoff to Mines. He is slung down, but not before he goes a couple of yards. He'll look to pass this time, rolling here near side. Now he's going to run it himself. Gets to the 5, trying to get the block to get to the pylon, and he'll be just short. It'll go to Mines, and he will walk into the end zone. Here we go from the 2.5. Give it to Mines. Why not? He'll fall left side and get in. He's going to throw it long, looking for a man and overthrowing his man incomplete, and a penalty marker coming in. Low snap. It's down. The kick is going to be up. It's not going to have enough. It's going to be about 4 yards short. High kick right in the middle of the field. Mines has trouble with it and picks it up at about the 1. Atlee will try to pin him deep. He gets away from one man. He gets away for the second, turns the corner. Elliott under center. Will hand it off. And immediately coming up from behind to grab him. Fake the handoff. Elliott rolling around, trying to find run room, and does. Nice fake. First down to the 31-yard line. Bird by 8. Handoff Mines, left side, and a great job behind the line of scrimmage. So another third down situation for the Raiders. This time, though, deep in their own territory at the 18. Harris back to pass, pulls it down, and he's sacked. Got it away. High end over end kick. They're going to let it bounce near midfield. It'll take a nice Atlee bounce. Handoff off left tackle. They'll give it back to Mines. He gets a big hole. He's down the sideline, and he's gone. And he'll hand it off to Dandridge, and there's nothing there. Atlee to kick it away. High, end over end kick. They're going to let it bounce, and it'll take an Atlee bounce. Back to Mines, looking right tackle. Gets a few yards, then busts out. Goes around right side, gets a block, trying to get around Crosby. Fake it. Elliott coming around left side. Running room, first down into Atlee territory, and then out of bounds. After the penalty, Elliott back to pass. He wants to go long down the sideline for Wilkins. Adjusting, it's knocked away at the last second. Elliott back to pass. Going to go long again. Wilkins is open. Extra point attempt by Riley. Is that blocked? It is blocked, but it's picked up by one of the Skyhawks. And he's going to try to go to the end. And here comes the kickoff. It'll be taken at about the 10-yard line. Gibbons with it, trying to find room around right side. Gets away from one man. Nice return up the sideline near the 35-yard line. 2nd and 10 at the 47. Handoff up the middle. 4th down, 10 to go, 7:40 to go. Harris looking in. 2nd down, Elliott, handoff, looking around right side for good yardage, cuts up the middle. Elliott to pass, just lofts it up downfield, short, dangerous, and incomplete. Second down, Harris to throw, slant pattern, complete at the 25, and that's about it. Handoff. It is a final score tonight in Chester, Virginia. Number 4, L.C.Bird Skyhawks knock off the 5th seed, the Atlee Raiders. Final score 34-13.